Asikhulume manje ngama-like terms. Ukuthi like akusho ukuthi yebo nge-English kusho ukuthandana. Lana kodwa kusho ukuthi niyafana. You are alike. Ayafana lama-terms. Kusho ukuthini lokho? Kusho ama-variable ane-power exponent efanayo. Same power. Right. And leyo exponent fanele ibe u-0 or ibe yi-positive whole number. Hhayi fraction. Asifuni i-power eyi-fraction. Sifuna i-whole number. For instance, nanka ama-like terms. 5a squared no-2a squared. Hhayi labo a bobabili banepower ethi 2. Ama-like terms. Nanka amanye ama-like terms. A squared b no-a squared b. Akunendaba ukuthi u-3 la u-2 la. Kukhulunywa ngama-variables ana-same powers. Asimfuni ukumbona-ke i-power e-negative. Akusiyi-term. Asifuni ukuthi bese sibone umuntu ethi lento ifana nale. Cha. Lana u-a squared, la u-a. Ngapha u-b, ngapha u-b squared. Fanele bofundisisa kahle ngazi uma ukufunda fast kubukeka ngathi kuyafana. Kanti cha. Nangapha futhi akusiwo ama-like terms la. Lana u-x squared, la u-x to the first power. Bese kuba khona ama-algebraic equation. Yini i-equation? I-equation ilapha esithola khona ukuthi i-expression enye ilinganiswa nenye. Kusetshenziswa nansi i-equal sign. Yangaba bikho i-equal sign akusiyo i-equation. Yangaba bikho i-equal sign, it's just an expression.